Now, see this clearly. Let's refresh it one more. Now, line number 11, it stopped. Did it run anything, ma? Guys, did it run anything? First it will run line number 12 only, na? Run line number 12, right? If I click it here, one more step. Yesterday I showed you. One more step. Line number 12, it will come. Then, line number 12. After line number 12, where it will go, sir? After line number 12, where it will go? 1. It will call na, X. It will call X. 1. See, it went to X. And what is the basic salary now? See, X basic salary is 20,000. And we have one Y function also. Okay, acha hai. One more. It returned the Y. You can see it here. X function is there till now in call stack. But after it gave Y, is there any X function now? X left. Right, ho gaya. Now, only Y function is there. Y function is stored in what? See, result. Result contains Y function. So, X function, what it does, it gave the complete Y function to result. It gave complete Y function to. Any doubts, ma'am? Any doubts, sir? No. Now, if I started to run Y function, oh, it just printed. I did not run the Y function. Let me run it Y function now. Result. Now, result 50,000. Go here. Refresh. Now let's call the Y. If I go inside. Can you see here local value? What is the promotion value? What is the promotion value? But here, can you see one closure? Can you see closure? And what is the closure value here? Basic salary. Basic salary how much ho gaya? Why? Because it adds the previous value. What is that previous value? 20,000. Is the X is there now? But still Y remembers it. Now, if anyone asks the definition of a closure, the closure, I gave it on that day also same definition. Inner function remembers outer function values. Inner function remembers outer function values even after outer function outer function execution ended. Even after outer function execution ended. Is it clear, ma? Now, let results equals to, so that you can print console.log result And you can also print results. Sir, I will write one function. You see it and try to execute it in your mind. Okay? If you can able to execute it, you will get it the closure. Simple. Let's go here. Function Vani. Let's go here. Let message equals to good bye. Now go here. Now function letter. Now console.log msg. Now return letter. Now let Ravi equals to I call Vani. Now console.log Ravi. What it will print, sir? What it will print? Good. After I tell this much also, in the online people are saying it like goodbye. That is wrong. It will print letter function. It will not print, it will print letter function. Why? Because I am returning the letter. Did I open the letter, ma? If you open the letter, you will see that goodbye message. This Vani is directly giving the letter only to Ravi. So Ravi will have letter only. Ravi we did not open it. Clear? What if Ravi open it? Then what will happen? Oh, heartbreak anyway it will happen. Now, if Ravi open, it will come the message goodbye. But the interesting fact is, before Ravi sees that letter, Vani gone. Right? Even the Vani gone, still that letter is there and that message is there because the letter has the message. That is closure. Now, actually, Ravi also remembers for lifetime. That is different case. Is it clear, ma? Now it will print goodbye, 100%. Does anyone have any doubts? This is called closures. And where do you use in real time? Real time, we use it. In real time, we use it in techniques like memorization. Memorization. Sam, from whom to whom are we sending it? Don't worry, Sam. It's a big story. You can't know. Now, आराम से पढ़ो Sam. You will get it the story. It is very simple story anyway. Now, anyway, in real time, we will use it in techniques like memorization. Okay. Sir, in memorization, what is that means? Imagine I asked you, what is 12 13s are? 12 13s. So obviously it's difficult. But imagine if I only said it, answer is 157 or 156. 156. Okay. 156. What is 12 13s, sir? Now actually you did not think na second time. First time when I asked, you will think for some time. But second time when I ask, did you think, ma? Because your mind remembers it. Any doubt, sir? Immediately if I ask, understand this. Immediately if I ask, no one will think, right? But I go to Amazon, Ray. If I go to websites like Amazon, and if I ask, give me books. Now, what it will print all the books now? Now, if I ask again books only, if I ask again books only, now interesting point is every time you ask books, will it go to database and bring it, sir? That would be waste, na? First time you asked, it went, it brought some books. Acha hai. Second time you asked same books, you did not change the keyword. Is it necessary to go back, sir? It has to remember previous values. In websites, what you do, you will store as a key value pair. Books, he gave, I gave this answer. Second input, what he is giving? Books only. So previous input, previous output, de do. That's it. If you get it two consecutive inputs same for output, it will not think. It will give same result because it will remember. And that technique is called memorization. Caching. Caching technique is done by closure. Caching technique is also, yeah, similar. Similar. Caching is also memorization. Something big calculation is there, like factorial, you are finding it. Some factorial or something big calculation is there. I gave 7. Your program find calculator nicely. But next time when I ask again 7, some people will do. They open calculator. They will open calculator. If I open the calculator, if I say 5 into 5, acha, 25. But next time onwards, people, okay, this is very bad calculator. 5 into 5, 25. Then why it is, if I click on again, what is happening? Oh, it's multiplying. Okay, it's a bad one. In reality, what will happen is people will click equals to multiple times. We like to press enter multiple times. Imagine on every enter you are giving request, that is bad program. So your program should remember these things. And that is caching, and that is also done by that is actually done by a technique called memorization. And the logic behind the memorization is closure. Koi doubt hai ma? Now, last but not least, most important of all, callback. Most important of all, callback. Let's understand some story of callback. Most people did not understand callbacks also, but it is a building block. Let me explain you one simple story. Now, the story goes like this. Ravi, Vani. I just got some names right. Okay. So now take this one. Now, interesting point is Ravi called Vani. Ravi called Vani. And Vani said, I will call you back. Ravi called Vani and the Vani said, I will call you back. Sir, will it be guaranteed that the Ravani call back? Thank you. And, and same thing will happen. Same thing will happen. If one function, online anonymous, no answer. If she said it's no, simple. If they said no, yes, no. Now, the same thing, imagine if one function, if function Ravi is passed to function Vani, so function Ravi is passed to function Vani. We all assumed Vani will call Ravi. That's why we gave Ravi function to Vani. But Vani never called. And kuch nahi hota. It may call, it may not call. That is why this Ravi function is called callback function. What it is called? Let me give this example in real time, sir. One time. Focus here. Function. I will give actual examples also. Don't worry. This is just a normal dummy one. Now, now, not Ravi. Something X. Now go here X. Now Ravi. Console.log. Now, if I go here, if I say now, everyone see it. Which line will run first? Which line will run first? 26, Vani. Any doubts here? Now, let's go line by line. First, this line will run. Any doubts, ma? No. It will go from here to. Now, what is X? Hey, sorry. I did wrong program. Okay. It's why I passed Rani Ray. It's maybe spelling, it's printing mistake. Now, typing mistake. Now, let's go here. Anyway, now, what is X? Understand it. It won't call Ravi. It is Ravi whole function. It is Ravi whole function. And it is passed as X. If I print X inside the Vani, it will print whole Ravi, right or not? Till now, no doubts. Now, this Ravi is called callback function. Why, sir? Callback function is a function. Callback function is a function which is passed as a parameter to another function. Callback function is a function which is passed as a parameter to another function. That another function may call or may not call this function later. Now, this Vani receives X. In Vani's definition, it may call X, may not call X, but it receives it. Okay? It may call, may not call. And that is why this Ravi's one is called callback function. A function which is passed to another function, a function which is passed to another function as a parameter, so that later it may get called or may not, is callback. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, ma? Yes, no. Now, sir, it will run now. It will run now line number 20. When you run line number 20, what will run, sir? It will run this function. Then it will print. Thanks for calling. When you don't give here, if you give function, you should not give brackets, ma, in Ravi when you are keeping it here. Because if you give brackets here, Ravi will call there itself. That is wrong. You are just passing the function as a variable. Then Vani should call it. That is how the logic works. But sir, inside the Vani function, X is called. Then it should print Ravi, na? Yes, it will print Ravi. It will not print Ravi. X is Ravi. X is equals to Ravi, right or not? So it will call Ravi, not print Ravi. And it will call and then it will print thanks for calling. Any doubt, sir? Sir, is it clear, ma? One more time, we will discuss practice. One more time, listen. Means it will print Ravi function. Perfect. Now see this. Vani is taking one function. is function. Now, what is that function name? Ravi. It is taking complete function, sir. It is not calling the function. If I give it here, if I give it here brackets, that is wrong because you should not call Ravi. You should pass the Ravi. Like you already know now, functions are treated as a variables. Taking Ravi as a parameter. Perfect. Taking Ravi as a parameter. Vani takes Ravi as a parameter. Now it is taking X. Now if I print X if I print X, earlier if you remember in closure chapter also, X returns whole Y. Same way. This X means complete Ravi function. This X means complete Ravi function only. So if I call X function, indirectly which one will call? Ravi function. So what it will print? Thanks for calling. Doubt. Doubt ma? If you sit clearly, if you sit for a minute, you will understand it. And I will tell you real example. Now, let me go here. One computer example, one programming example. Let's do function test a comma b. Let x equals to square a. Let y equals to square b square. Oh, no need of square. Let's see. See. Slowly understand. You will get it easily. I'm just making the complex little bit more so that you will get it. Okay, just come out of the Ranivani, you will get it real time. Now, function square, which will take it some p, which will return p asterisk p. Now test. Yes. Anyone solve it, Ray. Hint, line number 40, it will start. No, just a minute. Just a minute. I think I missed it. Just a minute. Now, let's go. Line number 40 onwards, it will start. Line number 40, it will start. Slowly think. Line number 40. After that, which line it will go? Line number 30. Perfect. Line number 30. Perfect. Till now, no worries. What is A in 30? What is B? What is C? Will it become whole square function or it will call whole square function? All square function. Any doubts? C is function. Go inside. Now if I call C of A, where it will call? Square of what is A value? Now what it will return? Square of 3. What it will return, sir? Now what is X value? What is X value? What will be Y value? Then what it will print it in console? 25. Yeah, 9 plus 16. You created one function and you used it multiple times. To use it multiple times, you passed one function to another function. Square is one function, sir. You passed it to another function called test. Square is one function, sir. You passed it one function to another function. You can pass one function to another function as a parameter, and that is called callback. What it is called? Doubt? Doubt, ma? Online, does anyone have any questions? Now, if you are clear for functions, sir, I highly recommend you to go to the websites like JS Challenger, JS Challengers. I think I gave you the sites names, na? Now, imagine if I go JavaScript basics. In basics, if I go functions, where are the functions? Functions, open it functions. Then do it line by line, sir. What function declaration, function expression? Oh, they are asking you premium, Ray. I never knew that. Okay, chhod do then. Try it. JS Hero. At least JS Hero is free. Overview. Functions. Go here, functions. And JS Hero will teach you the functions. Slowly do all the tasks, ma. You can try lead code. You can try lead code. Best way, easiest way. Best way, easiest way is free code camp. I highly recommend for everyone free code camp. If you go to lead code, ma, lead code, there is one section called 30 days of JavaScript. Try it with 30 days of JavaScript per day, one at least, or per day, two, three, you can do it. Sir, imagine you opened something and you did not, for example, closures, you all understand, you said, try it. Sir, if you did not understand, anything, in YouTube, Naresh IT channel, I did one playlist, 30 days of JavaScript. This all lead code 30 days of JavaScript. I did solutions and they are available as a playlist in Naresh IT YouTube channel by PRASAD. You can see it. Okay. You can see, like, for example, if you did not understand any question, you can see my video and you can do it again. All 30 are solved. Okay. Some 3-4 minutes only will be there per video. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts here? Online, is it clear? Yeah. I hope it's clear. That's it for today, sir. Thank you all.